This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi Q5 side mirror. Whether you need to replace the glass or the entire assembly, we will guide you through each step. It is crucial to have the right tools, such as a plastic trim removal tool and various Torx screwdrivers, to prevent damage. We will cover everything from detaching the mirror glass to fully removing the housing, ensuring a smooth and successful process for you. First, let's tackle the mirror glass. Begin by adjusting the mirror to its uppermost position using the interior controls. This provides better access to the bottom edge. Carefully insert a plastic pry tool about 1/2 inch under the bottom of the glass and gently pry it outwards. Once unclipped, you will need to disconnect any 2 or 3 electrical wires for heating or auto-dimming features before fully removing the glass. To remove the entire mirror housing, you will first need to access its mounting points by carefully removing the interior door panel. This typically involves prying off trim pieces and unscrewing several Torx screws, often T25. Once the door panel is loose, you can locate the 3 or 4 Torx screws that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. After removing these, disconnect all remaining electrical connectors attached to the mirror housing. With all screws removed and electrical connections disconnected, you can now gently pull the entire mirror assembly away from the door. Be sure to check that no wires are snagged or still connected as you detach the unit. Take your time to avoid any accidental damage to the paint or wiring. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and screws are tightened properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.